Hello everyone, my name is Tanay and today I'm going to talk about the bills which were passed regarding Delhi and the new Bihar Police Bill, aka the Singham Bill. But before I start the video, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to irritate you guys like a lot till I reach 10,000 subscribers. So be ready. So please subscribe to the channel. Just like employment, GDP and also our IQ, even the happiness index and democracy index of India is on a downfall. And one major reason for that, I feel, is Tirath Singh Rawat. Like, so much bayan he gave since he became the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. मतलब क्या बोला है ना. Oh my God. Like first, the ripped jeans.
जब और ऊपर देखा तो घुटने फटे थे, हाथ देखे तो कई कड़े थे.
Because the real beauty is in the knees. You all didn't know it till now, right? We all have that feeling, right? उस बंदे या बंदी की क्या घुटने थे यार. ओए होए क्या घुटने थे. Then one more statement he said was, if you wanted more ration, you should have produced 20 children.
जिसके 10 थे तो 50 किलो आ गया, 20 थे तो क्विंटल आ गया, 2 थे तो 10 किलो आ गया. उसने 20 पैदा किए, आपने 2 पैदा किए तो उसको 1 क्विंटल मिलना. अब इसमें जलन काय का जब समय था तब आपने 2 ही पैदा किए, 20 क्यों नहीं किए?
See, so much sense he makes. You can literally put a competition between those 20 children, lot of hinchad, and whoever scores the most marks gets food. If they don't score good marks, they won't get food to eat. Smart idea this is. And then USA ruled India for 200 years.
जहां अमेरिका के 200 वर्ष हम लोग गुलाम थे, पूरे विश्व के अंदर उसका राज था.
The one and only Aurangzeb, Washington. You all didn't know, right? Like, we all thought that Aurangzeb came, then after that, British came. Aurangzeb was actually US ka person. He was George Washington. So while coming here, he changed his name to Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb Washington. It was like Tirath was packed with a lot of wisdom and he just needed a platform to impart his wisdom on us. And as he got it, he went right at it. In turn reducing the India's democracy index and happiness index. Now jokes aside, India's ranking in happiness index is 139 out of 149 countries. People in India aren't satisfied only with anything. How much will you make Modi ji work, re? But one major reason I feel for this is liberals. These liberals keep on complaining about unemployment, GDP, hunger. Hunger index also our condition is bad. Arey, stop complaining, man. And then in spite of having too much democracy in India, India's ranking in democracy index went to 53rd position. A Swedish institute changed the status of India from elected democracy to elected autocracy. Like, how can another country change our status? How can they do it? So India couldn't bear anyone talking on our internal matter. India's democracy is India's internal matter. So we came back with one karara jawab to them. India's Ministry of External Affairs is setting up a own desi think tank which is going to evaluate India's democracy to get an unbiased report on India's democracy. बहुत हुई foreign destructive ideology की मार, अब की बार internal matter करेगा पलटवार. Criticism handle ही नहीं होता है भाई, handle ही नहीं होता है. Even after Modi said that I want this government to be criticized. Criticism makes democracy strong. And if you think only Modi ji cared about democracy, no, that's not the case. Even Amit Shah cares about democracy a lot. Now recently in West Bengal, first, BJP leaked some phone call of Mamata Banerjee speaking to someone. And then TMC leaked a phone call of 2 BJP leaders. Then after that, Amit Shah said, is this the way in a democracy that you tap the phones of opposition leaders? Matlab when they do it, that time it's fine. When others do it, nah. So democracy, guys, is still alive. It's just only for BJP. Now let's come to Delhi. The central government recently passed the National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Act 2021 from Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and now it is signed by the President, which grants more powers to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, in which any decision taken by the Delhi government has to seek an opinion of the LG of Delhi. So basically, crores and crores of voters of Delhi, your voting amounts to anda. Finis. And this is not the first time this has happened. It has happened in the past also. When the Delhi government used to take a decision and it had to go through the lieutenant governor, and the file used to just lie there, and then Kejriwal always had to sit outside the lieutenant governor's office and continue protests. This was a long-standing issue, and then the Supreme Court passed a 237-page judgment in 2018 which clearly stated that the LG has no independent authority to take decisions except in matters under Article 239 or matters outside the purview of the government. Real and substantive power lies with the elected representatives in a democracy. They owe responsibility to the legislature. Despite the judgment being so clear that the LG cannot interfere in the elected government stuff, they still passed this bill. Kejriwal was not at all happy with it. But when Article 370 was revoked, that time he was like, whatever the government has done, I am for it, man. Just हमरे पर मत करो, हमें नहीं चाहिए वो problem. But irrespective, in both the cases, it is wrong and against democracy and federalism. And the case regarding Delhi obviously will be challenged in the Supreme Court. Then let's see what happens. But on the other side, it is very interesting to see the tweets the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Bijal, used to like. So this is one of the tweets he liked. अरविंद केजरीवाल को असली औकात दिखाई है, यही है इसकी सही औकात. दिल्ली में जो कुछ लालची लोगों और मुस्लिमों की बदौलत 2 बार मुख्यमंत्री क्या बना अपने को शहंशाह समझने लग गया. कुत्ते जैसा मुंह बनाकर पीछे तिरंगा लगाकर जनता को उल्लू बनाने आ जाता है. ये क्या है यार? व्हाट इज दिस? ही इज द लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर, मैन. देन अनदर ट्वीट विच आम आदमी पार्टी पुट अप. उसका नाम अरविंद केजरीवाल है, उसको नहीं रोक सकते मोदी जी. एंड देन अनदर कमेंट ऑन दैट वाज, उसका दूसरा नाम खुजली वाला भी है. एंड दिस इज द ट्वीट विच ही हैज लाइक्ड, मैन. लाइक shame, man. Like, you are the LG of a fucking union territory. What, man? What is this? And the weird part is he might be finding all this funny, Khujli wala and all that. He's laughing at such jokes. He's liking those tweets. Oh my god, man. थोड़ा LG हो यार, थोड़ी मर्यादा रखिए. Now let's come to the Singham bill in Bihar. Now, Bihar recently passed Bihar Special Armed Police Bill 2021. It is something like AFSPA in Jammu and Kashmir or like CISF but under the state government. Bihar government said that it was brought in order to safeguard important installations. Nice. So what are the controversies surrounding this new bill of Bihar? This bill allows the special armed police officers to carry out searches and arrests without any warrant. They can arrest people even on suspicion without any order from the magistrate or without any warrant. They will maintain public order. Getting me? Public order. मतलब protest वगैरह जो करते हो ना तुम, आंदोलन जीवी type things. No more. And when a person who is accused of doing something, if that person is in the special armed forces, court also can't interfere until the government gives an approval to it. So they can't take up the case also unless government gives the approval. क्या बात? कोर्ट को भी साइड में डाल दिया. So basically the Bihar police is like Singham, who have all the good intentions in life. They do want to do good, but they just didn't get the opportunity till now to, use their good intentions because their hands were tied because of this rules and this constitution of India. So now Bihar has removed the rules. So now the cops can use their sixth sense to catch criminals just like that. Like they weren't getting to use it ना. The warrant का चक्कर किसको पढ़ना है अभी उसमें है? Sixth sense में आगे लगा ना ये थोड़ा इसकी शक्ल है ना. You get it from that only. Criminally होगा. So immediately go and arrest that person. And ultimately good intentions they have. So court के इसमें झमेले में also I want to make them फसोफाए. So court को भी निकाल दिया because they are doing the right thing. The Bihar special officers aka Singham officers. And while passing of this bill, the opposition protested a lot. And भाई जो धुलाई हुई उनकी भाई. इन शॉर्ट डेमोक्रेसी की मस्त लगेली है, बट स्टिल आई फील द मेजर रीजन फॉर दिस प्रॉब्लम्स इन डेमोक्रेसी इज तीरथ सिंह रावत. उसमें डाउट ही नहीं. Such people are ruling the nation, man. It's so weird. And that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.